Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I hope everyone is fine and doing great in their life. So today I have decided to do something different. I want to talk about 2026, what I'm thinking and what I'm hoping for, and how I want this year unfold. You know how every people start new year and new me. Well, for me 2026 isn't about becoming a new person, it's about becoming more who I am. I have thinking about this a lot, so I decided to break my vision in few parts. First part is personal growth. In 2026 I want to be a personally mentally strong, not just stronger and more aware. Last year taught me that life pushes up something gently, sometimes roughly, but I want to stop reacting everything and start leading on my life. So this year I want to practice confidence even when I feel nervous, protect my peace, especially from those people who drain my energy. Celebrate small wins, not just for wait for big ones. I want to wake up every day feeling proud of the person I am becoming. Even number 2, career and ambition. Now let's talk dreams, because 2026 isn't the year that I play small. I want to take finally step towards the big things I have talked about for so long, whether it is on YouTube or leveling my skills up and training something completely wild. I'm done being scared of what I want to learn something new every month, surrounding myself with people who inspire me, say yes to the opportunity even if scary me want build something new. This year I am stepping out from my comfort zone, because staying there give me anything, so I am thinking to stepping out. Number 3, I have mindset shift. 2026 is the year I am stopping for the perfection. Life doesn't need to be perfect to start. I don't need to have everything figured out. I don't need permission. Even I want to allow myself to grow while being imperfect. To show up online when even I'm tired. To chase goal when even I'm unsure, but I will try. To trust myself even when I'm in my doubt. Number 4, adventure and experience. I don't want 2026 be all work and seriousness. I want to live, not just for survive. So I'm planning to travel more, even it's in a local. Just sunset and late night talks, laughter and all the small moments. I want memories that make me smile 10 years from now. Number 5, relationship. Quality over quantity this year. I want to invest in people who show up for me, understand my growth, celebrate with me instead of comparing with me. I also want to outgrow relationship that keeps me stuck with the love and with the clarity. The older we get, the more we realize it's truly mean to the journey with us. Number 6, becoming my best self. At of the year, I want to look back and say, I'm tired, I'm pushed myself. I didn't let me fear hold me back. No more sinking self to feed in. No more demeaning my life. 2026 the year that I gave permission myself to big dreams, take breaks and build something new. Final, this number 7, my final intention for 2026. So here is my big statement for this year. So this year I stop talking about my life I want and I start building it. Whether I fail, success, fall down, rise up, at least I am moving forward only the one direction I am aiming for. So cheers to this year, a year of growth, a year of courage, a year of becoming me and stronger. If you are watching this, I hope you also make 2026 a year where you bet yourself, because we all deserve to be signed. Let's see where the journey takes us. So that's it for this vlog, and I hope you like this vlog, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.